Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, for our writing, earlier in the week we talked about a descriptive essay and writing a descriptive essay, and how when you write a descriptive essay, you have to put a lot of details, because they want you to really describe what's happening in your story. So today we're going to talk about nouns and adjectives. I know those are kind of big words, nouns and adjectives, because when you're writing a descriptive essay, you really need to use a lot of adjectives. And we're going to talk about what that word means. Let's look right here. It says, read each word below. Is it a noun? Here's the word noun. Or an adjective? Right here's this long word adjective. So let's talk about what nouns and adjectives are. An adjective is a word that describes. An adjective is a word that describes the noun. So if you're writing a sentence about your dog, you would say, my dog is beautiful. I have a beautiful brown dog. The word beautiful and the word brown are both words you used to describe your dog. Those are words that describe. Those are adjectives. A noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. That's pretty simple, right? A noun names a person, place, or thing. So in the sentence, I have a big, I added a new adjective. I have a beautiful brown dog. The dog is the noun because it names a person, place, or thing. Beautiful and brown are the adjectives because they describe the dog. The dog is beautiful. The dog is brown. So those are adjectives. So right now, I want you to get your journal and a pencil. If you need to pause and go get your supplies, that's fine. Get a journal and a pencil. So pause, go get your stuff, and come back. Because there's something I want you to write in your journal. I want you to open your journal, just like I did. This is my journal. I opened it right here. And I wrote right here. Adjective describes the noun. So the adjective are the words you use to describe the noun in your sentence. And the noun names a person, place, or thing. So right now I want you to write that in your journal. Because when you write things down, it helps you remember. And then if you forget, what did Miss Torres say an adjective was? Oh wait, I wrote it in my journal. Let me go back and look. And you can go back to your journal and you can look. An adjective describes the noun. A noun names a person, place, or thing. So I want you to pause if you need to and write this in your journal, just like this. Adjective describes the noun. Noun names a person, place, or thing. So write that in your journal and then come back. Okay, I hope everybody got that written in their journal because we're going to do something else in our journals. Let's look again right here at this chart we have right here. It says, read each word below. Is it a noun or an adjective? And then they made a little, this is called a T chart right here. They drew what looks like a T. They put adjectives at the top, nouns at the top, and then they listed the adjective and nouns. So I would like you to turn to another page in your journal, and we're going to make a T chart. Just like I made right here. That's what I want it to look like in your journal. At the top, it's going to say adjectives on this side, noun on this side. And you're going to make a line down the middle, a little line across the top. We're going to make a T chart in our journals, just like this. So if you need to pause right now and make your T chart, go ahead and do that. Okay, I hope everybody got that T chart made. We're going to look at these words in this box right here. The first word right here is pretty. Pretty. And look over here. It's already listed over here under our adjectives. because pretty doesn't name a person, place, or thing, so we know it is an adjective. And it is a word we use to describe something. So in your journal, in your T-chart, you should have the word pretty written under adjectives. The next word right here is cats. Does that name a person, place, or thing? Is a cat a thing that you can look at and touch and hold? Yes. So cats is a noun. So we're going to put it in our T-chart over here just like this. Cats is a noun. If you need to pause the video to write those, go ahead and do that. Next, right here, sad. Is sad a person, place, or thing? Or is sad something that you feel inside? So sad goes under adjectives because it is a describing word. It's a word used to describe how you feel. So it goes right there under adjectives. Now let's go right here to loud. Loud's not over here. Already done for us, so we're going to have to think. Loud. Is that a person, place, or thing? Or does that describe something that you can hear? You're right. Loud is a describing word. So we're going to put it right here under adjectives. Now let's look right here at house. House. Is that a person, place, or thing? Yes, a house is a thing. It's something that you see. Oh, that's my house. That's a thing. So that's a noun. Let's put it right here under nouns. We have house. Next word right here is scary. Scary. Is that a person, place, or thing? Scary is something that you can feel inside. So that's a describing word. So we're going to write it right here. Scary. That's a describing word. Next word right here is funny. Funny. And look, we've got funny written right here. Funny. Is that a person, place, or thing? No. Funny is a describing word. When you are writing a sentence and you say, oh, the funny girl fell and scraped her knee. Well, the girl's funny, but falling is not funny. But that's okay. Funny describes how you think the girl is. She's funny. So it's a describing word. Let's put it right here under funny, under adjectives. Just like that. Next word right here is school. And look, school's already over here in our chart. Is the school a person, place, or thing? Yes, because we go to school every day, the school building. So school is a noun. It's going to go under nouns. Our next word right here, girl. Is a girl a person, place, or thing? Yes, a girl is a person, so that's a noun. We're going to write it right here in our T-chart under nouns. If you need to pause and catch up, go ahead and pause because I want you following along and writing the words in your T-chart. Now right here, this word bright. Is bright a person, place, or thing? Or does bright is how we describe something that's bright, shining in our eyes, or a bright color. So bright is a describing word. It's an adjective. So we're going to put it right there under adjectives in our T-chart. Now we're right here on book. Is book a person, place, or thing? Is book a thing that you can hold in your hands? Yes. So book is a noun. Book is a noun. Our last word right here is purple. Is purple a person, place, or thing? Purple is a describing word. It's a word you use to describe the color of something. So purple is going to go right here under adjectives. Purple. So now I hope you understand the difference between nouns and adjectives. Nouns are a person, place, or thing. Adjectives are words that are used to describe the nouns. And it's very important in descriptive writing that we use a lot of adjectives. because adjectives are an important part of being able to describe what we see, describe what we hear, and write it down. So you're going to click to the next slide, and there's going to be some words on that slide. And I want you to continue to add those words to your T-chart, either nouns or adjectives. And I'm not going to be helping you with those. You're going to do those all on your own. If you think it's an adjective, you're going to write it under adjectives. If you think it's a noun, you're going to write it under nouns. And then you're going to take a picture of your journal. I want to see both pages that you did. I want to see this one where you wrote what an adjective and a noun is. And I want to see your T-chart where you listed your adjectives and nouns. And I want you to take a picture of that and upload it to me. Now click to the next slide and let's write those adjectives and nouns. Good luck.